Those who have been patiently waiting for the voice-activated and smartphone-controlled Neato Botvac D7 robotic vacuum cleaner to arrive on their shores will be pleased to know it is now available to purchase, priced at $800 in the US and throughout Europe. Using the Neato Botvac D7 companion smartphone application and thanks to Google Home and Amazon Alexa integration, owners can now enjoy ordering their robotic vacuum cleaner to carry out mundane tasks using voice commands. Check out the demonstration video below to learn more about the features and functionality of the Botvac D7 Connected robot vacuum cleaner. The Neato Botvac D7 Connected cleans large spaces powerfully, efficiently, and dependably. It tracks down dirt, hair, and allergens for the deepest clean you can get. The Botvac D7 captures twice as many small particles and picks up more pet hair using an ultra-performance filter and advanced spiral combo brush. Our exclusive D-shaped design with corner clever registered trademark technology finds dirt where it hides in corners and along walls. The Neato Botvac D7 vacuum cleaner measures 31.9 x 33.6 x 10 cm high and weighs 3.5 kg. The Botvac D7 Connected is now available in the US for $800 or £799 and €899 in the UK and Europe, respectively.